In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your payment methods on Temu, specifically how to remove a saved card. This process is straightforward, but if you haven't done it before, it can be helpful to have a step-by-step guide. Whether you're looking to replace an outdated card with a new one, or simply want to tidy up your account, I'm here to walk you through each stage of this process. First things first, we need to visit the Temu website. Go ahead and open your preferred web browser, and in the search bar, type in the URL www.temu.com. Once you're on the home page, focus your attention on the top right corner of the screen. This is where you'll find the profile icon. Give that a click, and it will take you to your personal profile page. This section is essentially your command center on Temu, where you can manage everything related to your account. Now, once you're in the profile section, the next spot you want to navigate to is your order. This is typically found in the menu options within your profile. Clicking on your order will direct you to a detailed listing of all your past and present orders. However, for today's purpose, we're interested in another tab, which is your payment methods. This is usually located adjacent to your order details. Clicking here will present you with a list of all the payment methods you've saved in your Temu account. Next up, you need to choose the card you wish to remove. Carefully review the list of your saved cards and decide which one you no longer need or want to delete. Found it? Great. Go ahead and click on that card. Now, you should see an option that says Remove associated with the card you've selected. Clicking Remove initiates the deletion process, but before the card is entirely wiped from your account, you'll need to confirm that you really want to remove it. At this point, another button will appear saying Delete this card. When you press it, Temu will likely ask you to select a reason for deleting the card. This is just part of their procedure to ensure they're maintaining good service and user experiences for everyone, so select the most appropriate reason from the list they provide. Finally, after providing a reason, you'll see a Confirm button. You'll want to click that to finalize the removal of your payment method, and just like that, you've successfully removed your card from Temu. Congratulations! You are now proficient in managing your payment methods on Temu, ensuring your account reflects your most current and preferred payment options. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.